Hello, it's Dave here from davemenzies.com, DM Online. Today's video, I just wanted to look at how you can use Screenflow to make those little square videos that you might have seen on Facebook. Really good for advertising. Facebook just kind of prefers that kind of square format with little title sequences on top and the bottom. You've probably seen them. They work better on mobiles and, also on laptops, but they particularly are aimed at mobile, which is obviously how people are increasingly viewing things. Okay, so let's kind of do that now. Here's a video that I've already done. I'll just give you a quick look at that. I've taken the sound out because it's kind of distracting. So I've got a little title sequence, and then as you can see, I've got in here my sort of logo, and it's really just me, but it's full HD, sort of widescreen kind of setup. And if we're going to go to make that into a square video, what we kind of need to do is to copy. So I'm just going to go to edit and copy that clip. So that's the entire finished video in a clip. So I've obviously just selected that and copied it. And then we're going to go to a new recording. So file, new, and that's going to be a new document. Okay, now we want to change a couple of settings here. At the moment it's on a preset which is 1080p standard HD, so that's 1920 by 1080, and obviously that is the kind of widescreen format which we don't actually want. What we're going to do is make it completely square, so we're going to change the width to 1080 as well, and then just go ahead and hit that little document, and you can see there it's opened. So I'm just going to go to edit and paste, and that's brought in my video. Now you can see here it's cropped, so you can see the square frame in the middle, which is what we want, but we don't want these two sidebars. And if I actually play that in there, you'll see that it's cropping the logo sting, and it's also going to crop out a lot of what's on the left and right of the video, which I don't want because that's taking out my logo that I put into the edit and so on. So the way we sort that out is to go to select the little film part so that you're actually editing the film. Make sure the clip's selected, and then we're just going to scale and bring that down until it just fits inside the box there. So you can see that's my full video in there, but it's inside that square frame, and we've got these blank areas top and bottom. Now typically you would be putting text in here, so I'll just go to the text button and add text and put in some text here. That's typically going to be the title of your video, so pop that in there. Select whatever font you want in Screenflow, so I can go back up to text here, look at the fonts, and I'll just go to Arial for the sake of this one. And then I'm just going to grab that and move it up into the black area here. Typically looks really nice, and then you can do the same thing in the bottom here. We'll just do another one. And I don't know, whatever it is you're using the video for to promote on Facebook, and I'll just change that back again to Arial so that we've got some continuity with the fonts there, and just pull that down into the correct area. And you can use these bars to center it up if you want. Now that's good enough. What a lot of people do in this bottom area is put in a transcription of the video, so that even if people haven't selected it to hear the sound, they'll see the transcripts. You'll see a lot of people, you see Gary Vaynerchuk for example does a lot of these videos, and you can be as creative as you want. You can change this area up, the coloured areas if you want. On Screenflow you can do that just by going there and selecting the background colour. So if we wanted to make that green, we can do that. But I quite like black, so I'll stick with that for the purposes of this. Point being, you can be as creative as you want. You could even import little bars if you wanted, or pictures for the background of those kind of text areas. And that's really all there is to it. Fairly simple way to get things done. You've still got your full HP 1080p HP video in there, but you've got, obviously it's in a square format, and you've got your text boxes top and bottom. So that's how you do that. Hope you enjoyed that. If you want to look at some more tips and tutorials from me on Screenflow, video editing, internet marketing, feel free to go ahead and subscribe. I'll put an end card at the end of this video where you can look at some of my other videos. Thanks for watching. I hope you find that useful. Cheers for now.